time since 1999-2000 after steamrolling the Sixers in the conference semifinals. Over the first two rounds, the Knicks have outscored their opponents by 194 points. The best differential by any team over a 10-game span in NBA playoff history. But not everyone sees that they're a believer just yet in those Knicks, including Cameron. Here he was last week on our show. Listen to this.
I don't trust the Knicks.
What do you mean you don't trust?
I'll deal with you in a minute. Let me talk to Big Perk. Big Perk, I've seen this movie before. I'm not falling for the banana and tailpipe. Pause. You know what happens last year, Perk? Last year, the Knicks get to the Eastern Conference Finals. You know what they start doing? Naming streets after players. Carl Anthony Town Square, Jalen Brunson Avenue, Mitchell Robinson Bridge. What are we doing? It's the Eastern Conference Finals.
Mind you, those words were spit out like within 5 minutes of him being on First Take initially last week. So Cameron, now that they have swept the 76ers, are you buying the Knicks now? Also, Aman, hello. How are you? Aman Shumpert joins us as well. Cameron, go on. You buying the Knicks now?
Absolutely not. Sorry, Mon. Mon's in the building, former Knick. Sorry, Stephen A. Listen, why are we acting like the Knicks are doing something that the Knicks should not be doing? Should the Knicks have lost to Atlanta? That's what happened. Let's do this. The Knicks went down 2-1 to Atlanta, and people started panicking. Actually, do we have that clip from Stephen A. when the Knicks went down 2-1 to Atlanta, what he wanted to do with the Knicks organization? Is that available at the moment? Yeah, let's go to that footage real quick.
Move out the way. Let me tell y'all something right now. Change is coming to New York City. It's going to be another head coach in New York City if they lose this series. Several players are going to be gone from New York City. Y'all lose this game. Y'all go ahead and lose this game. Y'all go ahead and lose this series, New York Knicks. You're just a bunch of sorry asses right now. I'm so sick of what I'm seeing right now. I'm losing my damn mind.
It's April 24th, y'all. It's 2 weeks ago, man. This is what happens, man. And I told him, why would you get yourself? But this is where the Knicks were at last year, Stephen A. It isn't anything new. Now, are they looking sensational? Yes, they're looking sensational, beating the Atlanta Hawks.
Okay.
Nobody thought they would sweep Philly. You come on the show and say, yo, if they shoot 57% from the field, they win the championship. Duh. Like, who if they not? Who if?
There were times in the past, if they shot that way, they still found a way to lose.
Yeah, well, that's where I'm at with it.
All right.
I'm still there with it. So at the end of the day, no, I've been here before, living in New York, living in Manhattan.
Right.
I still don't trust it. I see your nephew walking around the club with a broom in the air. This is what I'm talking about.
I'm not responsible for everything my family does. I'm not responsible for it. You understand what I'm saying? As it was evidenced when I showed up on Family Feud and then with a damn point because my family panicked. They panicked. But the bottom line is this. That was like me throwing out the first pitch. It was a bad day. Here's the point that I'm trying to make to y'all, all right? See, that's very disrespectful what you just did. That's very disrespectful. First of all, me was getting on there. They were down 2-1, and everything that I said was absolutely correct. Had they lost that damn series, there would be a new head coach. Had they lost that damn series, there would be a few new players gone this coming summer. You damn right. I said it and I meant it. And they ain't lose a game since. They undefeated since that time. They won 7.
Are you taking credit?
You're damn right. You're damn right. You're damn right. I'm going to take credit. We're going to live with that lie. I know it's a lie, damn it, but we're going to live with it, Cam. That's what we're going to do. We're going to live with it. If I got to take credit for it, and if it annoys the living hell out of folks and make them play the way they've been playing, damn it, we going to live that lie. I don't give a damn. I'll come up with a different, because you know what? It's all about motivation, baby. Turn around and look at me, Cameron. It's all about motivation, baby. It's all about motivation. You had to light a fire under their ass. You had to get on them. You had to make sure that they knew this was unacceptable, the way that they were playing. And sure enough, what did happen? Mike Brown comes in, and he's not Tom Thibodeau now. So what does he do? He said, yo, I'm here for offense. Cat, I need you to be point center, baby. I need you to facilitate. I need you to be that dude. All of a sudden, Jalen Brunson's getting off. All of a sudden, Mikal Bridges is getting off. OG Anunoby was balling before he was out the last 2 games. By the way, the New York Knicks bust Philly's living ass without OG. So I'm loving this right now. If you want to sit up there and get on me and show those footage, I could show the footage of you now. Can we show the footage of Cameron right now, please? Can we show that, please? There we go.
That's all you got. I was trolling.
No. That's not all I have. That's not all I have. By the way, you ready for this, Iman? He sat up there and said, and I'm staying on subject, y'all. I'm just getting on Cameron right now. The great Cameron himself, it is what it is. Yeah. It is what it is, right? The great Cameron said that if the Lakers won, that counts as 2 rings for LeBron because of him and his son Bronny. So my point is, since they got swept, does it count as 2 sweeps? No. I'm just saying.
No, I didn't. I did never say the Lakers was going to win.
I didn't say you said the Lakers was going to win. I said you said if they won. If they won.
No.
He said if they won, it wouldn't be LeBron's 5th ring. It would be 6 because of him and his son. Yeah, so I said, so if he got swept, does that mean it's 2 sweeps?
No.
It counted 2 sweeps?
Well, listen,
No. Which one is it?
Who invents a teammate? He made a teammate. He made him. It ain't like he actually made a teammate.
I got to bring him in.
Well, he made a teammate.
Actually, Savannah did, but that's okay. Savannah
the banana in the tailpipe, whatever. Go ahead, Iman. Go ahead.
Hey, I think this is what Cam is talking about, though. Like, the Knicks fans, the high up and then the fall all the way down. Now we mad. Now we happy. And it's like, dog, just have a little faith. Like, they done went to the conference finals now 2 years in a row. Why is that not nothing to just be happy about? Like, can everybody just relax on the Knicks?
When we starving.
You know what I'm saying? You're going to continue to starve if you don't accept what's...
You wore a New York Knicks uniform. You know how this goes. Don't try to change the culture. I mean, we were starving.
The pressure, don't get me wrong. The pressure still lets everybody know in a Knicks uniform, we are supposed to win. Because if there's pressure on us, we're supposed to win. We're supposed to do something. We're supposed to make something shake. Atlanta Hawks played with house money. Philly played with house money. You see what I'm saying? That's cool. We were supposed to beat them. We did it. You get what I'm saying? The problem is not the East right now. It's the Detroit Pistons.
No, we gonna beat the Detroit Pistons.
I know, but I'm saying the Detroit Pistons have been the problem.
We gonna take the Detroit Pistons out.
Well, the Detroit Pistons.
Oh, by the way,
the Detroit Pistons. That's what I'm going to say.
If they beat Cleveland, because when I saw from Donovan Mitchell last night, if I continue to see that, we might not see.
This is what
honestly, it was James Harden though. James Harden, 11 assists. 2 turnovers.
James Harden showed up the last 2 games.
Unbelievable.
Last 2 games, James Harden has showed up.
We're going to talk about that, though.
We'll talk about that. All I'm saying is this. It's not a foregone conclusion, but y'all go ahead and push that to the limit, because the longer that series goes, the more time it buys for OG to come back.
Without a doubt.
This is what we need. You understand? The gods on our side. On your blue skies, baby. On your blue skies.
Exactly why you getting into politics. You're good, man. You're good, man. Well, you're really good. Guys, say I'm sorry.
It's okay. The Knicks have a week off, so I would assume OG will be ready to go for game 1, whoever they end up playing. As a reminder, they do have another phase to get through in the Eastern Conference Finals before they would go to the finals, a place they have not.
We going to the finals.
Place they have not been since 1999.
Going to the finals.
Okay.
Well, we're going to the finals.
We got to get through the Cavs and the Pistons first, and the Pistons have been a tough out for you guys this season. Coming up here on First Take, LeBron James has had a storied 23-season career. Find out what Stephen A.